Right, I've been sidetracked massively this week, so I'm finally getting on to turning the sample into a finished product. So I've got my oak, I've got my steel 20 by 20 box section. I now need to create this. Now that's gluing up, I need to take the surface off of the steel because I'm fed up of it making my hands black and dirty. So I'm going to give that a little sand and get that back to raw metal. Right, I don't think it's clean enough for me to eat off it, but a bit better. Maybe not. Got the round done, I'm very happy with that. I have time to get a groove cutter in there. I need to cut out a square now for the steel bar to slot into. Chuffed how these have turned out, to be honest, so time to see if they fit. Oh yeah, man. Right, so I've got my oak machined. I need to now work out what the best way to do this groove is. Something like that. The bar can roll in and sit down there. Right, hopefully this makes a bit more sense now. Time to get these marked out. I'm going to go 200mm spacing. I need to drop this sample off to my dad, and he's going to kindly 3D print me some collars or sleeves to go on the end, and that's going to make up the difference of the cylinder pole which we'll be using. So I'm going to go drop this off. I'll show you some 3D printing. So I've got the end caps printed and they're absolutely wicked. I mean, look at that. I've got 10mm and 3mm because it's a 3:1 ratio, so it's 3.33333. But anyway, it was close enough. I've had the pole drying and warming up in front of the heater just because I don't want it to be too cold. But it's nice and warm, so that paint should stick really well now. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. That was quite a cool little project to finish the year on. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, it's much appreciated, and thanks again for spending your time watching this. Take care.